everybody has an existing IT portfolio, or they have an ecosystem of IT systems out there today. Help me understand, is that if I already have an ERP, how does this solution fit into my IT portfolio or my IT ecosystem?
We in EARHART, we are not trying to replace any ERP. ERPs are very good, and we are not trying to replace them. We are trying to complement them with a blockchain connectivity. And this is because what we do is grab the information from the users. The users decide what kind of information they want to put in the blockchain. So it's all the users' choice of what they are doing and what the information they want to place in the blockchain. So this is what we do. So we are not trying to replace the ERP. We are trying to complement and give them ability to connect the information with the blockchain.
Who are the ideal customers of this solution today? Are you in production? I mean, who should be looking at using this kind of technology in their operation today?
Well, we have already one company using it daily. We have several others testing, including one major aircraft manufacturer.
Okay, so then tell me, like, for example, if I'm an aircraft manufacturer, or if I'm a overhaul, or maybe a manufacturer of a component, tell me how I would use this data. What's the value of this data?
Well, if you are an aircraft manufacturer and you have all the interest that you start to build the history of your aircraft in the moment that you finish the aircraft build up. So when you finish the aircraft build up, you place on the blockchain the aircraft manufacturer data, and the operator can then start building the aircraft history and the operation in this tool. And what we do is to bring the aircraft maintenance all together, the aircraft operation all together, and with all the connectivities that they have. So what we have planned is to bring all the models. We have the license models that people performing a work, and they have their license validated in the blockchain. Also the same for pilots. If you have a pilot and you are flying the airplane, you have the license and the training validated in the blockchain. But I think what the lessors will love this tool, because on the aircraft handovers, it's when the lessor have knowledge about the status of the aircraft, and it's a lot of work for them. They require huge teams. So if they use EARHART to do that, every aircraft update, lessors can have the information, or can have the knowledge what is happening with the aircraft on a daily basis, the operation, the maintenance. But again, everything needs to be agreed with all the parties, but we developed that tool for them. So every time an aircraft is updated, the lessor knows about it and knows what was the update.